Mommy Shelly is here. Welcome again to Mommy Shelly's kitchen. For today, we are actually going to do, we have 3 pieces of leg quarters. If you notice, I already took the skin out because I'm planning to make the skin, a chicken skin crackling and our chicken barbecue. So we have soy sauce, we have brown sugar, a mixture of salt, pepper, garlic and hair powder, and a little bit of paprika. And then I have minced garlic, I have lime and lemon. I also have diced onions, white onions. Right here I have honey. We have vinegar. Okay, so we'll start marinating our chicken. But before that, I would like to put some, I will slice the chicken first. So for all, just so will absorb the marinade quick. So this guy right here, let's just slice, 2 slices I suppose. There. First thing is we want to squeeze out the juice here for our lemon together with the vinegar. Okay, and our lime. We have our lime and vinegar in there. I'm gonna put our garlic, minced. And mix. Let's just mix it. Put just a little bit of honey in here. Although I'm planning to put some more honey later, but just so it will have taste. There. So let's mix it. And then just pour it into our chicken. I'm going to marinate it for 30 minutes. Alright, let it marinate for, let's cover it and marinate it for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, let's just put some garlic and salt in there. And then just mix it. Okay. Let's just toss it. Properly mix the garlic and salt. Alright, so I have oil in the pan already. Let's just toss it. And just let it melt its fat in there and get crispy in a couple of minutes. Alright, this is done. Let's take it out. There we go. Alright, let's prepare our barbecue. But the way I do it is I have to saute my white onion here. Get that flavor. our chicken. We are going to put the chicken in. And the reason why I do this is when the barbecue that I'm making is like a baked barbecue. So we're gonna bake it, but make sure that the flavor is being absorbed, and also the inside is cooked. I am going to cook it first, quick. Okay, so I'm going to put that in here. And pour the sauce in here. Let's cover it. Okay, after simmering for 25 minutes, we can just take it out. That's done. And we can start baking it. Okay, now I took out some sauce already. The remaining sauce, I took it out for the sauce later for the chicken. But the remaining ones, I would like to cook the mushrooms in it. Just a quick one to get the flavor, and then let's just simmer it for 5 minutes. I took out the mushrooms, and now I would like to cook the purple yam here for our carbs. There you go. Let's just simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes. See until it's a little bit tender, but I don't want it smushy. Okay, just so to get the flavor of the chicken here earlier. Right. Let's cover it and let it simmer. Okay. So I took out some of the sauce from the chicken earlier, and the other half I use it to cook for the vegetable. This time I'm going to prepare the sauce for the barbecue. So I'll just simply add our chicken. I hope it will fit. I'm gonna just put some sauce in here. Just some sauce on the top while it's baking. Okay, it is baking for another 15 minutes after we turn it on the other side. And I'll see you back in 15 minutes. Alright, it's plating time, you guys. So let's start. I would like to put the purple right here. Our purple potato. Purple yam, should we say. Over here. We are going to finish up our sweet potato here. And let's put our mushrooms in here. Let's just put all the mushrooms in make it a bed here. go. Here's our barbecue chicken. Let's lay it right here. Okay, I think I need to push this a little bit because I forgot where to put our crackling. We can just make a little bit of room here for our chicken crackling. There. So, here is our chicken crackling. You probably notice that our crackling is not a lot because, well, after I cook it, a lot of hands are dipping on it. So that's all we got left. You can hear it, it's so crispy. Let me try it. That is delicious. Okay, so there you have it, everyone. Our final chicken barbecue with chicken skin crackling. I hope you had a great time cooking with me. And if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone. And thank you for watching.